Hey, what's up guys? And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to see your Instagram password if you have forgotten it in 2024. So make sure to watch the video till the end to understand the process step by step. As you know, Instagram has no option to see your password directly from the app. But if you have saved it through your Gmail, so what you're going to do is head over to your Gmail, click on your profile, go to Google Accounts, and keep on scrolling to the right until you see something called security. Scroll all the way down and click on Password Manager. So as you can see, I don't have my Instagram account saved through Gmail. But if you did save it, then it would have shown it here. So you can simply click on the Instagram icon and tap on the eye icon to see your password. And there you go. That's how you guys can do it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one.